Hello everyone, Jainam Shah this side, and today we are going to generate one of the files, or we can say that we are going to generate one program using our Claude Code, right? So without wasting any time, let's hit towards our VS Code. So guys, this is how it's going to look like. If you're going to see in the previous video, I have already shared how you can open your Claude either in terminal or else you can open in any of the IDEs, which is your integrated development environment. One of the basic IDEs which you might have heard for sure would be your VS Code, right? Visual Studios, or else probably you might have heard about Cursor, or else you might have heard about this Integravity. Fine, but we would be going with this VS Code itself. Now, if you are seeing this terminal for the first time, let me close all this. Yes, I won't able to close this. Fine. Anyway, so this is how it's going to look like over here. If you're going to see, this is known as the extension. Make sure that you are installing this one, which is from the official Anthropic. Don't download anything. Install this, and once you are going to install this, there would be one button over here which is going to look like the symbol of the Anthropic. Click this and see. You will see your Claude Code over here. Right. I would be closing this. I guess there is no need of this, and this you can change the size. Fine, I would be okay. So over here this would be your files. We can close this window as well, and this is how it's going to look. Now, one more thing I wanted to tell you guys, that over here if you're going to click this multiple times, you can open multiple agents at the same time, and you can ask them to do different things, right? Let's suppose if I want to generate one website, I can give the same command to all of them, and they will do same thing. Now let's suppose I am liking the work by this guy, this agent, so I'm just going to take this one. I hope this is clear to everyone. Anyways, we're going to close this, and today we are going to start with our first program, right? We would be keeping this very, very, very simple, right? Over here, see, if you're going to see, these are the games which we have generated. There is something called as a Claude.md. About this, we are going to see in the further videos. Today, I just wanted to share with you people that what you guys can exactly do with Claude. Fine. So let's hit. So over here, what I'm thinking that we can create one snake game. So probably if you might have been into any of the programming things, you might have done any of the programming. The first game which you guys built would be your snake game, right? During your college times. So we can do that. So I would be asking to do this in the C itself, right? So hey Claude, generate one very simple snake game in C programming. I guess we can put more and more complications, or more and more, what we can say, things later on. So let's see first of all how it is going to make this. Fine. So it is writing some simple snake game in C window and all. Fine. For Windows. Fine. So let's see what it is coming with. So I guess, see, this is the file which it has generated over here. If I guess I'm going to open. So this is the C code itself. This you might be knowing, if anyone who might have studied C code. Fine. So over here it is saying that 0 is the snake head trail and all. So I guess we want to compile this first. So what we can say, please compile it for me. And now if you're going to see this code which it has generated, it hardly took 2 to 3 seconds. Now see over here, if you're going to see allow this bash command. So what is bash? Whenever it is using the command prompt, it is going to use bash command. Fine. So if you want to see this as well, you would able to see over here, right? So we have given the permission, yes, and it is executing this code over here. Again, if you want to see this, you can click this one, and you would able to see what exactly it is trying to do. Also, if you are going to use the first time, like if you're using this first time, let's close this. I don't think so we need this. You would able to see that it is going to use something like all this words, gibberish words, which are like funny, right? That's the reason it is using this. Anyways, so we would be clicking yes again, and right now we are on the uh, fine, fine. So it has generated, which is snake.exe. I guess we would able to open this. Okay, I guess there is a. I guess we need to open this in the terminal, or let's open in this folder itself. So this is my folder in which we are going to keep all the things. So this is the C program, and this is the game itself. And see, it has generated this. I guess this is too fast. So let. I don't think so. I'm going to win over here. Yeah. So it is working, guys. See, you can see over here. Probably you, if you are going to see down, you will also able to see the score. So see, it has compiled this, and we are able to use the arrow keys. Oh my god, I was on the verge of getting killed. Anyways, it's very difficult, by the way. So let's ask something to do. Hey Claude, game is working super nice, but what we can do over here? Let's suppose if I'm pressing a space bar, it is going to dodge and it is going to be saved from the wall. This is what we are going to keep, and also we are going to decrease the speed of the snake. I guess it is too fast. So let's do this. Let's see how this is going to be executed by this guy. And if you're going to see this same program, if you guys have done in your college time or school time, you might take nearly 1 day or something, because this is one, like this is the thing which you are doing for the first time, right? So, and this guy has done nearly in 10 to 15 seconds. So see, two changes. So over here it is trying to see, whenever you're going to click this, you would able to see what it is trying to think. I want to close this. When pressing spacebar, the snake dodges, saves, and all. So I guess it, let's see what it is coming with. Again, we are going to execute the bash command, and it has not made any another snake.c program. Okay, so it compiled cleanly. Here's what space to toggles dodge. When so you guys can read this. It toggles dodge mode on off. When on, hitting a wall reps the snake to the opposite side. Inside of dying, status shows on or off at the bottom. Slow from the 100 milliseconds to 160 milliseconds per tick. So it's noticeably more relaxed. So let's see. I guess it has installed in the same file. It has not generated a new file. So let's see this. Let's again open this. It has already compiled this, and see if you're going to see over here. I hope so. If you will see over here, you are able to see this thing which is dodge. We can maximize this. I guess we have all the speed right now, all the time, I guess, because see, it's very slow now. So it has decreased this. And if you're going, let's press the space bar. So if you're going to see, this dodge thing has become on. So I guess it will go over here, and see, it is going over here. Let's suppose if I'm going to press space, and now it is going to hit, and game is over. Fine. So I guess everyone, guys, this is how you can use your Claude. Fine. If you guys have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will make sure that I will answer it. Okay.